And now for car number 5, you guys already know, the 2006 Acura TL manual. Pretty much the flagship car of the channel. You guys already know I did a full walk around before the year ended, just so that we can go back and see all the progress. I've owned it for over 3 years already, and it's definitely the best car I've had so far. Started the YouTube channel with it, barely has any issues, has low mileage, looks super clean, tons of mods. You guys already know the work I've done to this car if you check out the channel, but I will share a story of how and why I got the car. So if you guys do watch my videos, you guys do know that inside the car I do have a car seat. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. That also means I have a baby, I have a son. So while owning the 93 Accord Coupe, you guys probably already know where I'm going with this. I needed extra space for the little guy. As much as I wanted to keep the car, it didn't make any sense at all to keep it. So for a little bit of time, I did have 2 cars, the TL and the 93 Accord. It really just made sense to get a bigger car. It'll have 4 doors, plenty of trunk space for anything that we need. And as for how I got the car, I actually wasn't even supposed to get the TL.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
That's right, guys. I wasn't even supposed to buy this car. So you can probably tell by the theme of all the cars that I've owned, I kind of like Hondas. And in my mind, the next best thing from Honda is Acura. And the newer Acuras were way out of my budget. So that led to TSXs. Me personally, I think the RSX and TSX look super sexy. Don't get me wrong. But I couldn't go back to a 2-door coupe like the RSX. And I was so used to 4 cylinders that the TSX just made sense. So I did for a few months search for TSXs around my area. But as you guys know, it's really hard to find a clean one that's 6-speed, one that's unmodified, one that has low mileage. And I was really firm on all of those things. So one day after checking out a completely horrible RSX. By the way, when I drove it, the clutch was blown. The dealer said that was normal, and I immediately walked away. I went on one of the car apps to search any Acuras around the area at the time, and what do you know, the TL shows up and it's only 5 minutes away. Test drove it and immediately fell in love. Checked all the boxes out. Only complaint was it was 6-cylinder, so it ate a lot more gas than I was used to. But since I don't drive it too much anyways, that was definitely a okay trade-off. Test drove a few more TLs around the area. A couple days later, it was pretty much mine. And that's the whole story of how I got my TL. I was originally supposed to get a TSX.